Hi everybody, this is Dr. Josh with IHS. Today talking about rest. So if rest actually fixed pain, you still wouldn't be dealing with it. A lot of people feel pain, they stop moving, they rest for a few days, and as soon as they get back into their activity, it comes right back. Rest can certainly help calm things down early on, but if you rely on it too much, your body actually becomes less tolerant to different movement patterns. Your tissues get deconditioned, your joints stiffen up, and your brain will become more sensitive to the load. So when you go back to normal activity, everything starts to feel worse. The issue usually isn't that you're doing too much forever, it's that your body isn't prepared for what you're asking it to do. So instead of complete rest, you need the right amount of movement. Quite often what the body needs is not complete rest, but the appropriate amount of movement early on. Try these next couple of moves. These movements gradually reintroduce proper mobility and loading so your body can adapt. A key point is this: pain-free isn't always the goal, but tolerable and improving is, especially early on. You want to nudge the system, not completely shut it down. Rest, like I said earlier, certainly has a role, but it's not the long-term solution. If you want to get back to what you enjoy, your body needs movement, not avoiding that movement. Don't just wait for the pain to go away. Build a body that can handle more. Thanks for watching.